Hi, this is Maruf. In this video, I'm going to talk about user-defined tables. So user-defined tables or UDTs are essential when you create an user-defined object or when you create an add-on. In order to store information from that add-on or user-defined object, the user-defined tables need to be defined first. So in order to create an user-defined table, we go to Tools, then we go to Customization Tools, and then click on User-Defined Table Setup. Here you write the name of the table. Let's call it test and give it a description. In the object type column, you will see a list of options you can choose from. So basically, master data and document are object type options that you will need in order to create an user-defined object. For this tutorial, we will stick to no object or no object with auto increment, so that in the upcoming video where we discuss UDO, we can talk about master data and document object types. So let's click on no object, update, and OK. So basically, this is a no object table. You can use this table to store information from an add-on that you can create using any IDE such as Visual Studio with C# programming language or VB, Visual Basic Programming Language. Those are advanced topics. We are not going to go there right now. And you can the SAP Business One itself has a tool called SAP Business One Studio, which can also be used to create very small scale add-ons. So UDTs are basically tables that is defined by the user and it holds information. So that's it for now in this video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if there's anything else you want to see next, please comment down below. So until next time, thank you.